Hello and welcome again to Fluent English, where showing up even for a few minutes can make a big difference in how you speak, how you express yourself, and how you feel about your English. I know the journey isn't always easy. Sometimes you doubt yourself. Sometimes the words don't come out right. But let me remind you, every expert was once a beginner. And today, you're doing what most won't. You're showing up, you're practicing, you're growing. In this video, we'll be using the shadowing technique, one of the most powerful tools to improve your spoken English. It's simple but incredibly effective. Here's how it works. I will read a sentence once, slowly, clearly, and naturally. Then I will pause so you can repeat it out loud in your own voice. You will copy my rhythm, my tone, my pronunciation, but most importantly, make it your own. These are real-life English sentences, not textbook grammar drills. They're the kind of phrases you will use in daily life. Talking to a friend, ordering at a cafe, speaking with confidence in public. You don't need perfect grammar to speak well. You need practice. You need repetition. And you need belief in yourself. So whether you're sitting in your room, walking outside, or on a quick break, make this your moment. Take a deep breath and speak out loud. Let your voice rise. Let your confidence build. Let your English come alive one sentence at a time. Let's begin. Listen to each sentence carefully. Then repeat after me. I learn English step by step every day. Speaking one sentence is already success. I am proud of every word I learn. Mistakes help me become better. I enjoy speaking English with others. Practice makes me strong and confident. I can learn English at my own pace. I believe in my learning journey. Each new word builds my future. I am learning with love and hope. I read, repeat, and improve every day. I feel strong when I try hard. Speaking English helps me grow. I listen carefully and learn naturally. I enjoy trying new phrases out loud. I celebrate small wins daily. I speak English to reach my dreams. I am getting better each week. I am brave enough to speak now. I learn better when I have fun. My voice in English matters. I think in English more and more. I try, I learn, I succeed. I will never stop improving. English is a gift I give myself. I feel excited to learn today. I enjoy short English stories. I use easy words to practice. Every new phrase adds power. I stay focused and keep moving forward. I believe in progress, not perfection. I am learning with passion and joy. English gives me courage to speak. I learn English because I care. I take one step at a time. I am confident in my practice. Learning is my daily habit. I repeat sentences to grow faster. I can use English anytime, anywhere. I listen and repeat every morning. I am proud of my hard work. I understand more. Every day, my future will speak English. I improve just by showing up. I speak slowly and clearly. I know learning takes time. I love how English sounds. I am ready for new challenges. I want to speak English with confidence. Every day, I learn something new. Mistakes help me improve. I enjoy learning English. I practice English every morning. English opens many doors. I speak even if I'm nervous. Small steps lead to big success. I listen and repeat to learn better. One word at a time is enough. I read English stories to grow. Practice makes me stronger. I believe I can speak fluently. I watch videos and follow the speech. I speak English to train my brain. Learning takes time. I'm patient. I celebrate small wins. I will not give up. Speaking daily helps me improve. I smile when I use English. I write simple sentences every day. English helps me meet new people. I think in English to speak faster. I repeat phrases I hear online. I speak even when I feel shy. I enjoy learning with my friends. I believe in myself. I focus on progress, not perfection. I love speaking English aloud. I stay motivated when learning is hard. I read labels and signs in English. I ask questions and stay curious. I remember new words easily. I watch English movies for fun. I learn new phrases weekly. English makes me feel proud. I learn by talking to others. I practice before I sleep. I use flashcards to review words. I feel good when I try. I repeat short sentences slowly. I enjoy saying new words aloud. I speak a little English every day. I imagine small English conversations. I stay calm and keep learning. I learn better when I relax. I love learning through practice. English is part of my daily life. I am getting better each day. Now let's move to the English sentences about daily life. They're short, natural, and easy to shadow. These sentences will improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence while speaking in everyday situations. Listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I brush my teeth before breakfast. I take a shower and get ready for the day. I wear clean clothes every morning. I make my bed after I wake up. I eat toast and eggs for breakfast. I drink tea with my breakfast. I pack my bag and check my schedule. I leave home at 8 a.m. every day. I say goodbye before going out. I live in a small apartment. I clean my room every weekend. I cook simple meals at home. I do the laundry on Sundays. I water the plants in the evening. I watch TV with my family at night. I help my sister with her homework. I relax on the sofa after dinner. I switch off the lights before bed. I walk to the park in the morning. I go shopping on Saturday afternoon. I visit my friend every weekend. I buy fruits and vegetables from the market. I take the bus to work every day. I enjoy walking when the weather is nice. I stop at the bakery for some bread. I drink water while walking outside. I see many people on the street. I reach home before it gets dark. I eat lunch at 100 p.m. I drink juice with my meal. I like spicy food. I cook rice and curry for dinner. I eat dinner with my family. My favorite food is pizza. I enjoy cooking new recipes. I wash the dishes after eating. I make tea for guests. I like sweet desserts. I study English for 1 hour daily. I go to school from Monday to Friday. I write sentences in my notebook. I read short stories every day. I attend online classes in the evening. I work in an office near my house. I send emails at work. I talk to my coworkers in English. I take short breaks during the day. I finish my work by 6 o'clock p.m. I feel happy when I learn something new. I get tired after a long day. I feel excited when I speak English. I sometimes feel nervous in conversations. I try to stay calm and focused. I enjoy peaceful evenings. I feel proud after practicing English. I get sleepy around 1000 p.m. I smile when I understand English. I take deep breaths to relax. I go out with friends on weekends. I visit my grandparents every Sunday. I play games at home. I watch a movie on Saturday night. I take pictures during special events. I eat out with my family. Sometimes I go to the library on weekends. I enjoy reading fun books. I ride my bicycle in the evening. I listen to podcasts while resting. I clean the kitchen every morning. I sweep the floor before guests arrive. I take out the trash every evening. I iron my clothes before work. I help my parents at home. I organize my things after school. I keep my table clean. I buy groceries once a week. I check the mail at noon. I repair small things at home. I change into pajamas before bed. I read for 10 minutes at night. I write in my diary before sleeping. I set an alarm for the morning. I check my phone one last time. I turn off the lights and sleep. I think about tomorrow's tasks. I drink warm milk before sleeping. I say goodnight to my family. I sleep peacefully at night. How much does this cost? I'm looking for fresh vegetables. Can I pay with a card? I like apples and bananas. Let's go to the grocery store. This pizza tastes amazing. I need to buy some milk. Can we eat at this restaurant? I go for a walk after lunch. I stretch my arms and legs outside. I breathe deeply and enjoy the fresh air. I listen to the birds while walking. I sit on a bench and watch people pass by. I charge my phone before leaving home. I update an app to get the latest version. I search for a recipe online. I take a photo of something beautiful. I check my schedule before starting work. I focus on one task at a time. I take notes while listening to a meeting. I answer emails clearly and politely. I organize my desk to help me think better. I cook a simple meal with fresh ingredients. I add spices to make the food taste better. I pour a glass of juice with breakfast. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. I clean the table after eating. I want to learn English so I can talk to people around the world. Every day, I study a little English to become better and stronger. When I speak English clearly, I feel happy and proud. I know I will make mistakes, but I will keep trying and not give up. Learning English helps me discover new ideas and new people. I practice speaking English so I can travel and feel confident. I believe that small steps every day lead to big success. I speak English out loud even when I'm alone. It helps me grow. It's okay if I forget some words. I am learning and growing. Learning English takes time. And I am patient with myself. You did it. You didn't just watch this video, you participated. You didn't just learn, you practiced. And every sentence you spoke planted a seed for fluent, confident English. Shadowing isn't magic, but if you stay consistent, it works like magic. Why? Because every time you speak out loud, you're building muscle memory for your mouth, confidence in your tone, clarity in your expression. So if you felt uncertain, if your voice trembled, if you stumbled on some words, that's not failure. That's progress. Repeat this video tomorrow. Say the sentences again. Speak with more energy, more clarity, more power. And remember, your voice is your tool. Use it, strengthen it, own it. I am proud of you for showing up. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a speaker, a communicator, a confident soul who speaks up. So take this feeling with you into your day, into your conversations, into your life, and I will be here right beside you in the next video.